Hey, what's up, guys? I was just pulled into work, and in the parking lot sits something I thought I'd share with you guys. Pretty sweet ride. Let me get you flipped around and I'll show you. Look at there, we got a nice looking old FLB. Got a little stretch on it, pulling the Conastoga. Sounds good. Man, what I'd give to have a sleeper like that in purple. She's a beauty though. I think it's got a Detroit in it. Got him a little APU set up with a generator. Got a nice Conastoga. Looks like it all needs a bath in my opinion, but you know, I'm a little picky. But I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Figured y'all would enjoy it. Alright, y'all have a good one.